I wanted to surprise my son by decorating his bedroom for his birthday this year, and I think it turned out pretty good, considering I used materials I already had on hand or otherwise bought from the dollar store. Making the portal to the Upside Down is so time-consuming. I wasn't aiming for a realistic look here, I just wanted to make his door look similar to the portal. I hung a black tablecloth from his ceiling with pieces of black streamer attached. I recommend using duct tape for this since Scotch tape doesn't stick too well. I hung Christmas lights on his walls and the letters I painted a few days prior to his birthday. I put a couple of glow sticks and some red balloons, which is difficult but not impossible to do, then tossed the balloons on his floor, and played some Stranger Things theme music on his TV to try to enhance the holy aesthetic I was going for here. This was all relatively inexpensive and easy to do, just requires a lot of time and patience.